Well, my coffee doesn't really have that much of a taste, and that's one bad thing about COVID. Maggie's sitting in front of our fireplace. It's kind of cool down here in Gulf Shores this morning. Okay, a little background information. I went to a police officer retirement event, and on Wednesday the 25th, and when I was there was apparently somebody there that had COVID, and so when I got home that night, it didn't really start that night, but next morning I noticed I had a little tickling in my throat, and I started a little dry coughing, and so from there it developed into some chest congestion and kind of a sore throat. So we said, let's just head this off, go to urgent care, because last time it developed pretty bad bronchitis. So I went down there to urgent care, and they said, we're going to have to test you for COVID, and they'll test me for the flu. And when they did, they tested and came back positive for COVID. So you can see the little box. This is Proxlovin, I think, Lovin or something like that, Proxlovin. And gave me a dose for 8 days in a row. And then from there, hopefully it'll cure this mess. And now we're going to go down to local pharmacy and urgent care again and see if Dina tests positive. But Dina's inside this. We call this a doc in the box in Alabama. It's urgent care or immediate care. I saw this guy yesterday, and they poked those things up my nose, and they came back about 30 minutes later and said I had COVID. So prescribed me some that Paxlovid, I think is what they call it, and gave me a shot, a steroid shot, and I'm feeling a little bit better, but I gotta take 8 days of it, I guess, to get it out of my system. It's just, if it's just one thing, it's another, you know, out here, life on the road. And these guys pretty good in here. Doctor, real nice guy. Maybe Dina would just has a sinus infection instead of a COVID. We'll see. Okay, Dina, you went to the urgent care, and your result is
that you gave me COVID.
I did not give you COVID.
You did. That's what the doctor said.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Did I gave you COVID?
Yes, he did.
Because I had it, and then I gave it to you.
That's right. You gave it to me.
Yeah,
that's all you can say, isn't it? How about I'm sorry?
Sorry.